I think my favorite spot on the campus is where we are right now. We are in the Grand Café of the small atrium in the Horizon building. And it's definitely my favorite spot because after lecture, so after the school day, you can come here with other students and just chill and just have some drinks that you can get here. And they also have a nice terrace outside, so I think it's very nice. And it's at the school, so you don't have to look for another location where you can meet. You can just all say, come to the Grand Café and have a drink here with everyone, so it's very nice. And you also can have a drink here with the lecture, so that also helps with the informal atmosphere at BUAS. So on the campus I really enjoy to study at the silence area because I cannot really concentrate when other people are talking, so we have quite a large silence area where you can just go and study without any interruption. So I really enjoy studying there. I think as a facility manager it's very important to be aware of sustainability and all the different aspects that there are and that you can take into account, because as a facility manager you are responsible for all the, for example, for all the furniture that you can find within the building. And I think it's very important as a facility manager to take a good look at this furniture and to see whether it is sustainable enough or whether it's not. And I think that BUAS is giving a very good example, for example by the campus, because how it looks and the workplace design, but it's also very sustainable, everything that you see, so I think that's very nice.